Hey yarn dolls, welcome back to crochet tutorials and reviews, and today we have another motif tutorial, which is the granny circle in a square. Now if you watched the last video, this is going to start off almost exactly the same because we're doing a circle first. So we start off with a magic ring, and every chain 3 count as one double crochet. So chain up 3, then we're going to do a double crochet, and then I'm going to chain 1. So double crochet and chain 1. We are going to do this all the way around 5 more times, where we're going to add 2 double crochet plus a chain 1 until we get to the end, and then we are going to use a single crochet to close. So I'll be back when it's time to close. Alright, so we're going to just go ahead on with a single crochet and at the top of the chain 3, alright, and then I'm going to do a chain 1. Perfect. Now because I am changing colors, I'm going to go ahead on and weave in those ends. Now I told you I'm changing colors, and I go into whatever space. Remember that chain 3 count as a double crochet. So in each space we're going to have 2 double crochet followed by a chain 1, and then another 2 double crochet followed by a chain 1. This is what I call an increase round because we're adding, you'll see. So go ahead on and do that, and every round we're going to do a single crochet on top of the chain 3 to close, and then chain 1. So I will be back at the next round. So for the sake of the tutorial, I am changing colors every row. However, I feel like you should continue the same the circle the same color, and then the square should be a different color. So for the next round, we're going to do 3 double crochet in each space followed by a chain 1. Again, the chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. So I'll be back at the next round. Single crochet to close, and then chain 1. All right, I'll be back. So dolls, this is the row where we will start the corners for the square. So we're going to chain up 3 that count as 1 double crochet. Then I'm going to add 2 double crochet in the same space, followed by a chain 1. And then in the next space, I will add 3 double crochet, followed by a chain 1. And then in the third space, this is going to be our first corner. This is where we're going to add 3 double crochet, a chain 1, and then 3 more double crochet in the same space, followed by a chain 1. And that is how you will get the first corner to start the square. Now you will continue that pattern again. So you will go ahead on and repeat 3 double crochet, followed by a chain 1 space, a chain 1, and then another 3 double crochet, followed by a chain 1. And then after that, we will do another corner. Okay, so you're going to do this until you have a total of 4 corners for a square. So after this one, you will do that 2 more times, starting from the repeat of the 3 double crochet, chain 1. All right, I'll be back once we finish up this. Again, we are going to single crochet to close and then chain 1 on top of that single crochet. I'll be back. So I'm going to change colors again, and this time I'm going to go into a corner space, and that's how I am going to start off this round. So we're going to go into that corner space. We're going to chain up 3. Remember, the chain 3 count as 1 double crochet, and then we're going to add 2 double crochet, a chain 1, followed by 3 double crochet. So in each corner space, you will have a total of 3 double crochets, a chain 1, and 3 double crochets. Now we are getting to the sides. We are going to do, it's going to be 3 spaces on the sides this time instead of 2. So you're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 1 in each space. Now just remember that when you're doing the corners, those are also increased rounds. That's why on this round, instead of 2 spaces, it's 3 spaces. So y'all continue that, and at the end, remember, single crochet to close, chain 1, and I will be back so we can do the edging of this motif. So we went ahead on a single crochet, chain 1 to close. I continued with the same color, and I did a single crochet in the next space. I chained 1, I skipped a space or a stitch. Okay, that's what I'm showing you. I'm skipping a stitch, and then I am going to go in with a single crochet. I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to skip the next stitch. And into the space, I'm going to do a single crochet right into this space, and then I'm going to chain 1. Skip that one. I'm going to do this all the way until I get to the corner. Now, once we get to that corner space, we will do something a little bit different because we still want the corners to corner, okay? So once we get to the corner space, we're going to do a single crochet, chain 1, and another single crochet in the same corner space, followed by a chain 1. And then we're going to skip a stitch and then continue the first side. So that's a single crochet, a chain 1, you skip a stitch, single crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch, all the way till you get to the corner. And then in each corner, you're going to do a single crochet, a chain 1, and a single crochet in each corner space. So dolls, this is pretty much it for this motif. I would, try to put all those motifs together and make something real cute. But I will see you all in the next tutorial. Like, share, comment, and if you're new here, subscribe. Get me up in the algorithm, dolls. Love y'all. Bye.